morning, we're in Rochester, New York. My name is Michael, FourWinds Chimney. I'm a lead technician here. We're on a 2-day job here in Rochester. Did a full block rebuild with a brick demo yesterday. We're going to just vent it through this side, and we made it one system up top with the block rebuild instead of two how it was. So I'm going to hook up the connection and then make this vent the water heater through the liner, made it seal, and then we're going to cover that up. It's going to be good. For more information about the services we provide, go to fourwindschimney.com.